Alright, so to use the stud finder, the one button we need to use is this one on the left-hand side of the tool. Before we press it, you want to push it hard up to the wall, and then you're going to hold the button down, and those green LED lights should flash once like that, and now we're good to go. I'm going to continuously hold that button down. I'm not letting go of it, and we're going to start moving sideways across the wall, and you can see we've got these lights at the top there, and it's going to indicate where the stud is. What you want to do is keep moving it across and back and forth until you've got it like it is right now. That green button is going to light up around that as well. And what you can actually do with this is press on it, and that's got a little pin that comes out the back of the stud finder. You can see there, right where my finger is, that little pin's going to come out, and that's actually going to poke a small hole in your wall, marking where the stud is. Now, one thing to note, if you happen to put the stud finder down directly over that stud and you hold it, you may not get an accurate reading. If I go back and forth, it's set to the consistency of that stud being behind the wall. So what you might need to do is try in a couple different places, reset the tool there, hold that button down, and then you can move back and you can see you've got yourself a stud right there.